In the United States, the debate over the declassification of government documents related to unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, is intensifying. While taxpayers have a right to know how public funds are being used and whether extraterrestrial bodies or non-human technologies obtained through reverse engineering are being concealed, the disclosure of classified defense information could pose serious risks to national security. Therefore, declassification should be a complex process, as data related to UAPs are often linked to critical security systems. Such disclosure would be historic, although its implications for science and defense remain uncertain. On May 8 and May 22, 2026, declassified documents were released, and there appears to be a gradual improvement in quality. For example, the videos from the second batch of releases have better image quality. It is already clear, from the material released so far, that the video footage has been investigated by government intelligence agencies. This fact leads us to ask what secrets have not yet been revealed. Based on these revelations, it may now seem more plausible that some old claims, such as those involving reverse engineering programs based on alien spacecraft or hybridization programs between humans and extraterrestrials, may be true. It may eventually become clear that the government misled the public, as in the case of civilians who reported seeing something flying that appeared to be a humanoid figure, while the press reported claims that illegal miners using jetpacks were responsible for scaring people. A curious event was the case of a scientist who lost his job after answering a renowned investigative journalist about the possibility of the existence of artificial structures on the moon. Subsequently, now declassified audio recordings of astronauts, as well as photographs taken on the moon, demonstrate that not all information about space exploration was disclosed in the past. The legitimate concerns about avoiding a catastrophic revelation, which serious journalists share with the military, relate to the gradual release of declassified documents. If disclosure is hindered by conflicts of interest, theoretically there would be a risk of a catastrophic revelation that would cause various damages to society, from political and economic crises to the complete discrediting of institutions. If the quality of the documents continues to gradually improve, and the government discloses information such as the existence of reverse engineering or a human-extraterrestrial hybridization program, it could avoid public discredit, as it would be a disclosure in which the government would demonstrate transparency to the extent permitted without harming national security while guaranteeing American citizens access to declassified information. If the disclosure is controlled, at some point the President of the United States will go down in history as the American president who revealed to the world that we are not alone in the universe. If you enjoy topics related to space, the possibility of intelligent alien life, and the future of humanity, Avi Loeb is the author of the book Interstellar: The Search for Extraterrestrial Life and Our Future in the Stars. If you are interested, the link to the Audible audiobook is in the description. Thank you for watching.